everybody, just a quick video. I just wanted to pop on here and show you how to create the eye cord today. This is super simple. It's perfect for like edging on pillows and cushions. It's got a little bit of stretch to it as well. I've seen some people use it for like handles on bags, so it's super versatile and something that you all need to have in your bank for when you need it. So I thought I'd share that with you today. I've got some Aran weight yarn, a crochet hook and a pair of scissors to chop off my ends, and that is all you need. Any yarn, any hook, and we can begin. So you're going to begin by making a slip knot, and again you can do this in whichever way that you prefer. I do have a tutorial on this on my channel, so if you are a very beginner you can go and check that out. I will leave it in the description box down below. So once you have that, we're going to make a chain, and we're going to chain 3. So yarn over, pull through, that's 1, yarn over, pull through, that's 2, and yarn over, pull through, that's 3. And then what we're going to do is make some stitches into this chain. So you're going to work into the second chain from the hook. So as usual, we don't count this first chain on our hook. We're not going to count this chain here, and we're going to work into this chain here. So insert your hook into that chain, yarn over and pull up a loop, leaving those 2 loops on your hook, and into the next chain space, insert your hook once again, yarn over and pull up a loop. So you should have 3 loops on your hook. Now this is where it can get a little bit scary, because you're going to take some of the loops off of your hook. So I know that we all kind of cling to our hooks for safety, and when we drop one we can get quite scared or worried that our pattern's going to mess up. But don't worry, this is all perfectly fine. So remove your hook gently from the first 2 loops like so, and just pinch onto those so you don't lose them. And all you're going to do is yarn over and pull through this loop on your hook. So yarn over and pull through that loop. Now you can feed back through, picking up that next loop like so, and then you can yarn over and pull through that loop too. And then finally you can refeed your hook through that last loop like so, and yarn over and pull through that loop again. So there you have 3 loops on your hook once again, and you've worked a little bit kind of like row 1 of your cord type thing. And that is how simple it is. So all you need to do is remove your hook from the first 2, keep them nicely pinched together, yarn over and pull through that loop, then feed your hook back through that second loop, yarn over and pull through, and then feed your hook through that final loop, yarn over and pull through. Once again, remove your hook from the first 2 loops, yarn over and pull through, feed back through, yarn over and pull through, and then finally feed back through, yarn over and pull through like so. So that is actually all you need to do for the eye cord. What I'm going to do now is work a few more rows just to show you what it looks like when a few more rows are worked, and then I will meet you back and show you how to tie off. So as you can see, I've just worked a few more rows of the cord, and this is how it's looking. It's super gorgeous and neat, and it's got, as I said before, a little bit of stretch, so it's perfect for edging on a cushion and things like that. So all we're going to do now to finish off is I have my 3 loops on my hook, and you're just going to yarn over and pull through all 3 of those loops, and then what you can do is chain 1, give your yarn a cut, and then just pull through and give it a little bit of a tug to tighten. and there is your cord. So I hope you enjoyed this video today. As I said, it was a super quick one, but I thought I would share it with you all anyway. Leave me a like if you found this video helpful, comment down below what videos you'd like to see in the future, and also subscribe so you never miss any more of my future videos, and you can join this wonderful community of crafters. Thank you all, and I'll see you very soon with another one. Bye.